Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the essentials of turtle healthcare and feeding. Whether you're a new turtle owner or a seasoned enthusiast, understanding how to properly care for these incredible creatures is crucial to ensuring their health and longevity. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the dietary needs of turtles. Turtles are generally classified into three categories based on their diet: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Understanding which category your turtle falls into is the first step in providing the right nutrition. Herbivorous turtles, like many tortoises, primarily eat plant matter. Their diet should consist of a variety of leafy greens, vegetables, and fruits. Some good options include dandelion greens, collard greens, mustard greens, and squash. It's important to provide a diverse range of foods to ensure they receive all the necessary nutrients. Avoid feeding them iceberg lettuce, as it has little nutritional value. Fruits should be offered sparingly due to their high sugar content, but they can include apples, berries, and melons as occasional treats. It's also beneficial to include high-fiber plants such as hay or grasses. Fiber helps in proper digestion and keeps the digestive system functioning well. Make sure to wash all vegetables and fruits thoroughly to remove any pesticides or chemicals that could harm your turtle. Carnivorous turtles, such as snapping turtles, primarily eat meat. Their diet can include insects, fish, and even small mammals. In captivity, you can feed them earthworms, crickets, mealworms, and commercially available turtle pellets designed for carnivorous species. It's essential to provide a varied diet to mimic what they would find in the wild and ensure they get a balanced intake of nutrients. When feeding carnivorous turtles, you can also include live prey. This not only provides them with nutrition, but also stimulates their natural hunting behaviors, keeping them active and engaged. Make sure to avoid feeding them wild-caught prey, as it may carry parasites or diseases. Omnivorous turtles, like red-eared sliders, eat both plant and animal matter. A balanced diet for these turtles includes leafy greens, vegetables, insects, and fish. Commercial turtle pellets can also be part of their diet, providing essential vitamins and minerals. Some safe vegetables include carrots, bell peppers, and green beans. Protein sources can include crickets, shrimp, and feeder fish. Remember, the key is variety to ensure they get all the nutrients they need. It's important to note that while variety is key, certain foods should be avoided as they can be toxic or harmful to turtles. For example, avoid feeding turtles avocado, rhubarb, and the leaves of tomato plants, as these can be toxic. Feeding frequency is another critical aspect of turtle care. Young turtles generally need to eat more frequently than adults. For most species, feeding them once a day is sufficient, while adults can often be fed every other day. A good rule of thumb is to offer an amount of food that they can consume within 15 to 20 minutes. Overfeeding can lead to obesity and other health issues, while underfeeding can result in malnutrition. Monitoring your turtle's weight and overall health can help you determine if you're feeding them the right amount. A healthy turtle should have a smooth, firm shell and clear eyes. If you notice any changes in their appearance or behavior, it may be time to reassess their diet. Hydration is also crucial for turtles. Ensure they have access to clean, fresh water at all times. Aquatic turtles need water to swim, drink, and help digest their food. The water should be kept clean with a proper filtration system and changed regularly to prevent the buildup of harmful bacteria. For terrestrial turtles, provide a shallow dish for drinking and soaking. Soaking helps keep their skin and shells hydrated and aids in digestion. It's important to use a water conditioner to remove chlorine and other harmful chemicals from tap water before adding it to your turtle's habitat. Additionally, for aquatic turtles, the water should be maintained at a temperature appropriate for their species, usually between 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure their comfort and health. Next, let's move on to healthcare. Regular veterinary checkups are essential for keeping your turtle healthy. A vet who specializes in reptiles can help monitor your turtle's health and address any issues that arise. Early detection of health problems can make a significant difference in treatment outcomes. One common health issue in turtles is shell rot, a bacterial or fungal infection that can occur if the shell is damaged or if the turtle is kept in unsanitary conditions. Symptoms of shell rot include discolored, soft, or foul-smelling areas on the shell. To prevent shell rot, keep your turtle's habitat clean and ensure they have a balanced diet to support shell health. If you suspect shell rot, seek veterinary care immediately for proper treatment. Respiratory infections are another common problem, especially in aquatic turtles. Signs of a respiratory infection include wheezing, nasal discharge, and lethargy. These infections can be caused by improper temperatures or unclean water. To prevent respiratory infections, maintain proper water temperature and humidity levels, provide adequate basking areas, and keep the habitat clean. If you notice symptoms of a respiratory infection, consult a vet immediately for appropriate treatment. Parasites can also affect turtles, both internal and external. Regular fecal exams by a vet can detect internal parasites, while external parasites, like ticks and mites, can be seen on the skin and shell. Signs of parasitic infections include weight loss, lethargy, and changes in appetite or behavior. If your turtle has parasites, your vet can recommend appropriate treatments, which may include medications or changes in husbandry practices. Vitamin A deficiency is a common nutritional issue in turtles, leading to symptoms like swollen eyes, respiratory problems, and a lack of appetite. To prevent this, ensure your turtle's diet includes vitamin A-rich foods, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens. Commercial turtle pellets can also help provide necessary vitamins and minerals. If you suspect a vitamin A deficiency, consult your vet for dietary recommendations and possible supplements. Another important aspect of turtle health is maintaining their shell and skin. A healthy shell is firm and smooth, while unhealthy shells may show signs of deformities, softness, or lesions. Providing a proper diet and habitat is crucial for shell health. Ensure your turtle gets enough UVB light, as it is essential for the synthesis of vitamin D3, which helps in calcium absorption. Without adequate UVB light, turtles can develop metabolic bone disease, leading to soft, deformed shells and bones. Skin health is also important. Turtles periodically shed their skin, and it's vital to monitor this process. If the skin appears to be shedding excessively or if there are areas of retained shed, it may indicate a health problem. Ensure your turtle has access to clean water and proper basking areas to aid in the shedding process. If you notice any abnormalities in shedding, consult your vet. Handling your turtle correctly is also an important part of their care. When picking up your turtle, always support its body with both hands. Avoid handling them too frequently as it can cause stress. After handling your turtle, wash your hands thoroughly to prevent the spread of bacteria, such as salmonella. Stress can significantly affect a turtle's health. Factors that can cause stress include improper handling, sudden changes in their environment, or the presence of predators, including household pets. To minimize stress, provide a stable and quiet environment, handle your turtle gently, and ensure they have hiding places in their habitat where they can feel safe. Lastly, let's talk about habitat. A well-maintained habitat is crucial for your turtle's health. For aquatic turtles, this means a clean tank with a proper filtration system, basking spots with UVB lighting, and appropriate water temperature. The water temperature should be maintained between 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the species, with a basking area temperature of 85 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. UVB lighting should be provided for 10 to 12 hours a day to mimic natural sunlight. For terrestrial turtles, provide a spacious enclosure with hiding spots, a shallow water dish, and a substrate suitable for digging. The enclosure should have a temperature gradient, with a warm side and a cooler side, allowing the turtle to regulate its body temperature. A basking area with UVB lighting is also essential. The substrate should be non-toxic and safe for digging, such as coconut coir or a soil and sand mix. The size of the habitat is also important. Aquatic turtles need a tank that allows them plenty of space to swim and a basking area where they can completely dry off. A good rule of thumb is to provide 10 gallons of water per inch of the turtle's shell length. Terrestrial turtles need an enclosure that allows them to roam and explore, with ample space for exercise. It's also important to maintain proper humidity levels in your turtle's habitat. For most terrestrial species, humidity levels should be kept between 50 to 70%. This can be achieved by misting the enclosure regularly and providing a humid hide box. For aquatic turtles, the humidity will naturally be higher due to the water in the tank, but it's still important to monitor and adjust as necessary. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure your turtle remains healthy and happy. Regular checkups, a balanced diet, clean water, and a proper habitat are key to their well-being. Remember, turtles are long-lived creatures, and providing them with the right care can ensure they thrive for many years. Additionally, being mindful of changes in their behavior, appetite, or physical appearance can help you catch potential health issues early, ensuring your turtle gets the care it needs promptly. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips on pet care and wildlife conservation. Until next time, keep caring for your amazing pets.
Like our video, leave your lovely comments, and subscribe to our channel for more good times about the lovely pets.